Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll approach our own ability to grow and improve through compassionate honesty, gently holding ourselves accountable for our actions. Start by sitting comfortably. As you gently close your eyes, root down into your seat, lengthening your spine upward. Soften your shoulders and arms, and find a restful place for your hands on your knees or in your lap. Now, take a few deep breaths. And every time you exhale, let go a little further. Let go of tension in your body. Let go of responsibilities. Let go of judgments. Just giving yourself permission to arrive. Right here, right now. And begin to tap into your breath. Observe your inhales and exhales just as they are. No need to shape or control your breath. Instead, allow it to move spontaneously. And notice what it feels like to breathe right now. Is your breath long and deep? Is it short and shallow? Follow the ebb and flow of your breath, moving in and out, noticing its natural shape and texture. And inevitably, your mind will wander off into external distractions or thoughts of the past or the future. When it does, acknowledge the distraction and with kindness, redirect your attention back to your breath. In the very moment you notice your mind wandering, you've already stopped it from wandering. With compassionate ease, acknowledge the thoughts, take responsibility for the moment, and lovingly come back to your inhales and exhales. No judgment, no labels, just a refocused attention on your breath, moving in and moving out. emotions may come and go. Sensations rise and fall. Thoughts surface and disappear. Whatever comes up, note it and gently return to your breath again and again and again. Now widen your awareness. When we embark on a journey of personal growth, we're striving to develop our strengths and improve our physical, mental, and emotional health. This is vital for our sense of worth, our contentment, and our success. But this process of maturing isn't easy. In order to let our positive traits shine, we must be willing to take an honest look at our weaknesses. For our qualities to grow, we must become accountable, taking responsibility for our thoughts and actions. Our meditation practice can serve as an incredible tool for self-improvement by guiding us through this introspective process with kindness and compassion, rather than harsh critique and judgment. As we sit mindfully, we develop self-acceptance. We make room to see ourselves with more clarity. Rather than shying away from our darkness, meditation guides us towards our fear, our anger, or our moments of irrationality with gentleness, so that we can learn and grow from them. By approaching our thought patterns, emotions, and behaviors, we learn to unhook from their grip. The idea is to lean into who we are, rather than forcing ourselves to be someone we're not. As we do this with honesty, we become more aware of how we think, what we say, how we act, and what we believe. This awareness allows us to learn and evolve. It is by holding ourselves accountable that we can grow our minds and hearts. As we implement the lessons we learn along the way, we gain wisdom and insight from our experience, taking responsibility for who we are and who we become. Now, gently come back to your breath. Notice your body in space. Notice the sounds in the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Be gentle and honest with yourself today, and we'll see you again soon.